What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another breakdown of the trades that we've been taking during the 30-day forex challenge. We just had day 6, but a couple days ago we took a trade and I didn't get to do the breakdown, so here's a little something while I'm away for my birthday. Now, if you guys haven't been following the series, make sure that you join the Discord and Instagram so that you can be updated with all the trades that we take, because I take these trades live every day. I'm going to be sharing with you guys, as you can see from my screen here, the trades that I took and how I went about it. All right, so here we go. We took this trade on Thursday, September 26th. So this was last week. And essentially, when I got to the charts, I saw that price was moving into these areas. If you go to the 1 hour, you can see that we've been in a steady uptrend. All right, so I understood that we were in an uptrend. All right. However, when I go down to the 15, I can also see that after price was giving us higher highs and higher lows, we started to break structure towards the downside. So I was looking for something to take towards the downside. When I got into the chart on the 15, I could see here that there was a nice gap right here. Okay. And in addition to this gap, there's a lot of other things that I was using for confluence, but just to keep it simple, this is what I was looking at. So I simply waited for price to come into this zone and give me the pattern I was looking for. Now, again, I took this trade live and we took take profit live in front of everybody who was watching. Come on, come on, a little more, a little more. A little more, hit TP, a little more. Hey guys, we hit TP. So essentially price came and gave us this nice push towards the downside, and I opted to get back into the trade around right here. Okay, so I aimed for a nice 1 to 2 and I simply waited for price to come back to my level, which it did. And as it did, it eventually hit TP. And once it hit TP, it started reversing back on me, and that was literally it. It's that simple. I tell you guys all the time that my trading is very simple. It comes down to 3 simple things: market direction, which we just saw, market structure, which we also just saw, a point of interest with my pattern. That's it. All right, guys, so we took this live in front of everybody, and if you've been watching the trading series throughout this week, you've been seeing me take a lot of different setups and mark up different charts, and you can see how that has gone as well. In fact, today we took this trade here. Okay, you can see the execution labels. We took this trade here, which ended up, we closed out a 1 to 4 or 1 to 6, but it ended up hitting a nice 1 to 8. If I drag this all the way over here, you can see that. Okay, and you can also see we took this position down as well for a quick 1 to 2 scalp. It's just simple trading. All right, guys, so I'm going to be doing a breakdown on that later on, but for now, let me know what you guys think. Again, if it seems too simple to you guys want me to go more in depth, let me know. But that's the trade that we took on the 26th. I'll be doing more updates for you guys and more breakdowns, so stay tuned for that. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.